Okay guys, it's Lyle here. I'm here with Nathan. We're up by the Little White River. You want to talk about what we're doing today?
So we drove about 40 minutes north of Elliott Lake. We're going to check out the White River and see what other sites we can kind of see along the way. And we stumbled across a couple cool sites, so we'll take you along the ride and show you everything.
It's really beautiful up here, and it was raining earlier. It just stopped now. And it's too bad because we already went to the spot. Okay guys, we'll see you up there. Log cabin right here. All right, Nathan, where are we right now?
Mount Lake. We're seeing some runoff off the cliffs. Looks pretty sweet. We're going to try to hike up a little bit more because it looks like there's a pretty epic falls just up the hill from us. So we're going to head up there and see what that looks like.
Damn, you can't see it too well. I really wish I brought my tripod today. This would have been sick. Yeah. So all the viewers know I have to be careful with my camera because it's raining right now.
Look at this level.
Okay, Nathan, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna see if we can find an easy way to get up to the falls because this is pretty epic. And we really want to see what's on top. So we're gonna start heading up that way.
So, we started down there. Now we want to go to the very top. I don't think I'm gonna film the way up in case I slip. See you up there. We're on the cliff edge right now, on the way up. I found this little rock I wanted to show. Check this out, Nathan. Oh shit, nice. I'm not going that way. Huge rock.
Or even if you come up this way, keep your hand.
I might go up this way. Okay. So that was sketchy. How'd you like that, Nathan?
A little more riskier than I like, but we made it.
Yeah. All right, let's get to the falls. All right, guys, we made it to the top. There's Mount Lake there. There's the start of it. That side. There we go. I made it. And even Nathan made it with his shoes. Oops. Well, what do you think? Was it worth the trek?
Pretty stoked, but the view's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it definitely is. What was that you just said, Nathan?
I said it's soaked.
It's pretty wet out here when you don't got boots. Well, you want to head back down? Yeah. Alright guys, so we just made it from the very top up there all the way down this mountain. It was pretty intense. Nathan got really wet.
A little bit, yeah.
But if you liked what you saw, make sure you like and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, of course. You got anything to say for the day, Nathan?
Well, you know, it's a good day out. Really wet and rainy, kind of difficult terrain to navigate, but we got down, we challenged ourselves, and we got to see some really cool places.
Yeah, it was a pretty good day. And also guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon. That's so you can continue to see our videos when they're being posted. I think we're out of here.
Oh, the padlock isn't on the door, on the outside, so.
So, what is that bus, Nathan?
School bus, but some probably hobos living on it, coming up from Toronto.
They're hiding up here because of the global pandemic. Good place to hide, right by the river.
Look at him just one step at a time. He's like, if I slowly walk away, they won't see me.
Yeah. Look at it, look at it.
You getting that?
Yeah.